going on, America? Patrick with Venture Explorers. We have come out with the most versatile camper pod on the market. Check it out. In a van, on a trailer, either way, full custom builds to order. What you want, what you don't want. Let's check it out inside of the van. We got your shower pan. Shower pan's gonna come down. Curtain's gonna go all the way around you. It will act as your gray holding tank as well. Sink, hot water heater, holding tanks down here, baby baño right there. This is the new bed extension. Fold this down, you have 7 foot long sleeping room. So bed right here, fold it up, you'll have your dinette. Here's your table right here. Fold your bed extension down, you have 7 foot long, so you have the option of sleeping east and west or north and south. Now that we offer rooftop temp options, right here, this is our port. You're gonna have to pop this window out, crawl straight into your rooftop tent without even having to have shoes on. Also, this is a template for a rooftop air conditioning as well. You do have your normal bug screen and your blackout to get it real dark in here. Same here, normal screen, got your blackout, and of course right here as well. You got your cab access here, driver and passenger seat. Air conditioning, ducted in. Here's the air conditioning system. It's ducting it out of our window vent here. All of our units do come insulated, so you don't have to worry about insulating the inside of the van. They have double pane windows, so those are insulated as well. Rooftop is insulated as well. Our pods will fit into any high top vehicle. This is a ProMaster 154. It will fit in the smallest one, which is a 136. But that being said, if you were to get the 170s, they will have more storage behind your unit. We have 2 ways of mounting this. Temporary, which you're just gonna strap it down, or permanent, which you're gonna have a bracket. It's gonna hook onto here, bolt straight to your truck. When you are done with camping, go ahead and just slide it out, put it in the garage, recover your cargo space or your utility vehicle. So if you're deciding maybe you're not going to be using a van and you're using a trailer, you will have more options. Rooftop tent, awning. This is a 180-degree awning. We do have an option for a 270-degree awning. So we show it on a 12-foot trailer. So if you actually get like a 25-foot trailer, you can slide this onto the front, back your RZR up onto the trailer. That way you're only taking one tow vehicle. Electric jacks, all 4 corners, rollers across the bottom. You have your tracks that come with all the pods, your extension arms to help you extend the pod off while you're loading and unloading.